You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and how to say more confusing vocabulary, some of the most mispronounced words in English. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Two different ways are correct of saying it. It is generally said and accepted to be said in English as rodeo. Rodeo with a stress on the first syllable, but this comes from a Spanish word said in Spanish as rodeo, rodeo, to surround. So in English it is also sometimes said, to keep the Spanish flavor of the word, as rodeo, rodeo from Spanish. It also exists and said like this in English. Rodeo or rodeo are both correct. More videos here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support, it helps me immensely, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.